The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I've seen in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So before I begin the analysis, I'd like to mention a couple things. The first one is that I had a lot of support, an overwhelming amount of support for seeing Tesla Mondays. So that is going to officially be done on the channel. So every Monday, I can't guarantee every Monday forever, but as right now, every Monday for the foreseeable future, we're going to have a Tesla analysis on the daily and weekly chart. Also, I did issue a course sale right now, so you can get my course 50% off. It's a great deal, and I always was the type of person to invest in myself, and I would recommend you to do the same thing. If this is a foreign subject to you and you want to learn what it is, or if you want to improve your technical analysis so it can benefit you in your financial career, then my course is on sale currently until next Friday. So now we can start the analysis for BABA on the daily chart. So it looks like it continues to sell off. Last Friday, price was right around the 89.65 level, it looks like, and we have sold off about another 6, 7, 8% in 1 week. So BABA looking very bearish, and let's go over where it can be going in the future. Well, this channel is definitely holding. You can see that all these price bars since January of this year are inside of this downward channel. So this is the trend that the price is following and the pattern it can repeat. So prices are respecting this downward pressure from hitting the resistance zone right around the 120 level. So I can mark that too. So we hit the highs. Prices are having a hard time breaking through that 120 level. Definitely the resistance is right here. The lows are a little subjective, but this is decent fitting on the bottom side at the 75 level. So you can see that BABA just can't break through this 120 level. It's having a hard time, and right when we get there, we see a large sell-off. So it happened again. Now we got right below the EMA, and we've been downtrending ever since. So I'm still bearish. I'll be expecting prices to reach this side of the range, because as it looks like it wants to do, which is right around the 75 level. So there's a couple gaps that could be filled. Those are potential targets that could be reached. I'm looking for that 75 level. Even if we do see a pullback to the upside, I would be expecting this pullback to fail and trap longs, and then we probably see another dump down. So that's how I would be looking at this. It looks like bears are pretty strong. We got a nice channel, a good angle to it. We hit the top side, we can go to the bottom side in the macro structure. We got a couple gaps that can be filled, and all these pullbacks are very small. So sooner or later, we're going to see a decent sized pullback like I drew, and I would be expecting that pullback to fail and the price to go with the prevailing trend, with this down, which is down. So expecting longs to get trapped, expecting that we bottomed, thinking that we bottomed, excuse me, but I would be expecting them to fail because of the bearish bias to this chart. So it looks like prices still want to drop. Even if we see a bounce up, maybe to the 95 level, I'm expecting a drop from there. That's if we get that bounce. If not, then we're probably just headed to my target right around the $75 level anyway. What would make me change my mind is we see a decent size rally, like a huge one, maybe back up to the triple digits, low 100s, and then I'll probably be changing my mind, thinking the downtrend is probably over and we should be looking for prices to go higher instead of down. As right now, the chart is showing me a lot of bearish signs. So that's everything on the daily chart. Here is the weekly chart, and I can see what the market is trying to do now. You can see that we were in this big downtrend channel for a few years, and then we had a breakout side of the channel, but normally we don't just reverse right away. We get 2 attempts at a new low. So this was the first attempt to get a new low of the channel, and then prices pull back, and we made the second attempt, And after the second attempt, that's when we saw this big rally higher. But why is prices selling off right now? It's because the market is a fractal, so we do micro and macro patterns. So these two small legs are technically just one leg on a bigger picture. So if I go to a monthly chart, you probably just see one large leg down. So these two legs are just one. So if I drag it over, it looks like prices are in the formation of two large legs down to a new low instead of two small legs down to a new low. So this target is right around the 53 level. So that's probably when we'll probably get a huge move up versus this move up right here. We could probably see a bigger one if we get here. Then that's if we get here. This support could turn around prices at the 75-80 level, but it also could break it. We'll have to wait and see. I don't know what prices will do when it gets here. I would be expecting prices to break it, just how bearish everything is, but you can't be 100%. We could just get a nice bounce and then it might trap shorts. So we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, it looks like we're still going to continue lower even if we see a pullback. But once we get to this 75-80 level, we'll see the type of reaction we get from this level. So as right now, both the daily and weekly charts look bearish, and I'm expecting a red future for BABA. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.